Anniversary car here at Unique Specialty and Classics. This one's the 25th anniversary of the Pontiac Trans Am. So you're looking at a 1994 Pontiac Trans Am Coupe with the CC1 T-top code. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Actual mile car, a little over 36,000 is all on this. It's also going to come with the original owner's manual and the 25th anniversary items that are along with that, and you'll be able to see that in the still pictures. It also comes with the showroom brochure. There's a full folder of receipts on this car. Car cover. It does have an aftermarket radio. It's going to come with the original radio. All right, still pictures. Let me tell you where to take a peek at those. UniqueClassicCars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Give me a good look at this front fascia, because you can see it's really free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. I did notice there's a little touch-up spot. I don't even know if I can get it to show up. It's very minor. Paint has a nice shine to it. You can tell this is a well-maintained car. And again, kept the history as far as the service receipts, a lot of the original items that this car would have came with. And again, you'll be able to see that in the still pictures. Riding on the correct 25th anniversary wheels, radial tires. Let's take a look down the passenger side of this car. You can see it's really free of any major nicks, dings, scratches. Of course, the 25th anniversary interior. White bucket seats, center console. There's the aftermarket JVC stereo. We'll get around to the driver's side, take a little closer look at the interior, start it up, let you hear it run, take a peek underneath the hood, check out that 5.7 liter LT1. That is paired up with the automatic transmission. So T-tops, automatic transmission. This is one of 1,331 that were produced this way for the anniversary coupes. Once again, those still pictures, UniqueClassicCars.com. And here's what I'm talking about, some of those items, the original stereo, the service or shop manuals, and then that owner's manual with the 25th anniversary items with it, the car cover, and a folder full of receipts, and a showroom brochure. Let's take a look down this driver's side. If you like these Pontiacs, like Trans Ams in general, I guess, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. These videos are uploaded daily, and when the videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase, and that can be done online right off our showroom floor if you can make it to see us in person. We always like that. And again, you can see driver's side really free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches also. And don't forget, we do consider trades. Financing is available, and of course we can assist with transportation. This vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract also. 25th anniversary door panels. Of course, your modern amenities with power windows, power mirrors, power locks there. You can see seats not showing much wear at all, what you'd expect with a low mile, well taken care of car. Let's go ahead and start it up. Of course, tilt column, cruise control. Now, the JVC aftermarket stereo, the steering wheel controls will not coincide and work with that. But again, the original radio goes along with it. Okay, exact miles, 36,696. Sorry, should have held that key a little bit longer. Of course, fuel injected, LT1. All right, no service engine soon lights, check engine, anything like that. Gauge is working. That was a cold start, by the way, so temp gauge won't be up. Dash looks good. So aftermarket radio working. More capabilities on this than the stock one, obviously, with the Bluetooth capabilities. And as you can see, USB port and what have you. Sounds good. Sounds as it should. Technician did note it does have complete exhaust with cats, so catalytic converters intact. A little rumble coming out of that 350 or 5.7 liter. Sounds good. Let me go ahead and see if we can get this hood one-handed here. Should be able to. Hood strut's working fine. Look at the hood liner. Nice and clean. Doesn't look like this car's been driven in any sort of inclement weather. Summer car. All right. There it is. Good power plant in these. And again, appears to be stock from what I've seen on it. I've not noticed any major modifications. Sounds good, looks good. Stick around a little bit longer too. Jason will take this for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. Take you for a virtual ride, if you will. It's a 1994 Pontiac Trans Am 25th Anniversary Edition. Clean Carfax, well maintained, receipts with it. A lot of the original owner's manuals and brochures. Just a little over 36,000 miles. Number to call, 507-386-1726. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all those still pics. And this car may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1994 Pontiac Firebird in white with blue trim, the 25th anniversary Trans Am. White seats, white in the door panels, very striking car. I always like this body style and how Pontiac knows how to do ergonomics and make a car fit the driver. Sounds good, accelerates very good. Oil pressure is showing 50 pounds, tachometer working, speedometer working, battery's charging at 14 volts. The fuel gauge is showing completely full, and the temperature gauge is just coming up off of 170. We have a JVC stereo in the dash. The AC is blowing cold in this car. I have glass T-tops over my head. You gotta have T-tops if you have a Firebird or a Trans Am. It's just a cool factor. And they're very nice. Radio controls on the steering wheel. 1994, didn't have a lot of cars before that had that. So well optioned. Brakes feel good. Nice and smooth. This is an automatic on the center console, so it's super easy for anybody to drive. Corners nicely, stays pretty flat in the corners. Firebird and Trans Am, they were performance-oriented cars. And acceleration, very good. Take a look at all the pictures of this Firebird at UniqueClassicCars.com.